Can YouTube make you millionaire? This gives creators access to monetization features, such as advertising, fan funding, and merchandise sales. Is YouTube still the best way to make money? YouTube is still the best channel for earning money from video content. In this article, we cover 5 ways to make money on YouTube in 2023. With well over 2 billion active users per month, YouTube is still the destination for long-form video online. Can I earn $1,000 from YouTube? In conclusion, earning $1,000 or more every month with YouTube Shorts is possible by implementing these 5 strategies. Creating high-quality content, optimizing your videos for search, using trending hashtags and sounds, engaging with your audience, and promoting your videos on social media. Do YouTubers get a lot of money? The average YouTube pay in the US in 2022 was about $1,154 per week, or $4,616 monthly. Creators earn about 55% of the revenue on their channels. For every $100 an advertiser pays, Google pays $55 to the creator. The average YouTuber makes about $0.18 per view or $18 per 1,000 views. Is YouTube still a good career? Choosing to be a YouTuber as a career is a great business idea. It's highly doable, gratifying, and it's never been easier to get started. Still, it can take months or even years of constant struggle before you become a prominent and super famous creator on the platform.